Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Coming up on the scoop for today. Dancehall recording artist Vybz Kartel has eyes on the Grammy for his upcoming album Dance and Divas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop and we're about now to discuss that on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. He might be incarcerated, but trust me, his music is not, based on the massive success that he has been getting since his incarceration some years ago. On the heels of the January release of his album Tanisha, the incarcerated dancehall star Vybz Kartel is back with another massive project which is set to be released this summer. Since the massive success of his album Tanisha, which is said to have made more than 70 million Jamaican dollars. This music and his upcoming album right now was produced by Short Boss Music and also from Vybz Kartel Music. The upcoming album, which is slated to be released this summer, has an array of artists including Sika Rhyme, Lisa Hyper, TJ, Skenga Bling, Daddy One, Slmatic, and also Vybz Kartel two son, Little Addy and Little Vybz. According to a press release, the project Dance and Divas, which has been garnered a lot of support just so far, even though it has not been released just yet, and the focus was on the creating a new song within the dancehall, the 16 track in total, which is classified of Dance and Divas. We'll see, this album might be making it to the top, and Vybz Kartel is actually eyeing the big prize of getting a Grammy from this album. The artwork for the upcoming album was posted on the Vybz Kartel official Instagram page with the hashtag the Grammy, stating that many believe that the artist is eyeing the Grammy for this album. But the dancehall incarcerated star is no stranger to success. According to a media report, Vybz Kartel is celebrating much achievement after his 2016 smash hit song Fever has been certified gold after having sold over 500,000 copies. The track was featured on one of the singer's most successful album, King of the Dancehall, which peaked at number 2 on the US Billboard and reggae charts. The current album is set to be released by Zojak Music, and pre-orders are currently on the way for the Dance and Divas, which started on May 22nd, ahead of the official album release slated for June 26. Purchase on all other social media sites including Apple, Google Play Store and Spotify will be available on that date. So many fans are anticipating the release of Dance and Divas. Will it have the massive success as the album of Tanisha? Many anticipate this special moment slated for June 26 when the album is set to be released officially. So this has been Links 007 TV and will keep you up to date with this story. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. We're out for now from Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Have a blessed and productive day.